Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into how you can use Notion for SaaS product management, your full 2025 guide. Step 1. Setting up your workspace. Log into Notion and create a new workspace. Name it something relevant like your SaaS product's name. This serves as the central hub for all your product management activities. Now that we've done that, step 2 is to create pages for different functionalities. Click on the plus New Page button and create pages like product roadmap, task management, customer feedback, and so on. The reason we do this is to categorize your information in tasks, making it easier to find and manage. Next up, step 3, setting up your product roadmap. Navigate to your product roadmap page and click on plus Add a table. Here you can list out all your product's features, their statuses, and target dates. This helps us because it gives us a clear view of what needs to be done and by when. Step 4 is to manage tasks in Notion. Go to your task management page and create a Kanban board. You can then add tasks, assign them to team members, and track their progress. Let me explain why this matters. A visual representation of tasks and their statuses helps keep the team aligned and maintains transparency. Finally, step 5, managing customer feedback. Create a customer feedback page where you can add a table and input customer queries, suggestions, or complaints. This is crucial as it helps you understand your users better and make improvements accordingly. And that's it. You've now set up your Notion for efficient SaaS product management. Remember, the key is to keep everything organized and transparent for your team. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks, and until next time, keep creating.